In this life of tension and pressure, full of psychosocial imbalance, death and many probative disorders, hastening us out of this earth. I thought the deadly invasion was about to break, until I found Jesus, the comforter of souls, mighty holiness depicting the power of change. Then I knew all we had to do was to praise Him.
That's the blessed mighty power of the scriptures that I read from the Lord. That's the blessed mighty power of the scriptures that I read from the Lord. And I've got to pass it on, for His promises to shine. Oh, and I've got to pass it on, for His promises to shine.
It's beauty like we have, I tell you we didn't know that us. Talking about the downside is pain, time from other though. When I'm talking to you, some people be suffering. I want to turn up your compassion, cause we got the full each other saying, cause Jesus Christ loves everyone so equal hearted. You've got to do the same to act it up and get started. You've got to use your hands to make sure that you be as a tool with every place you go and every action that you do. The mighty God we have, a protector when we weak, a provider for generations and a blessings to the sick. Oh, protector the needy in the journey to achieve health. One God for all nations, always there to keep. My God is Alpha and Omega, the beginning and end. He's the direction which you follow and the master plan of all. Mighty King of Kings, protector of nations, I will never let you go. It's a second no.
Blessed mighty power of the scriptures that I read from the Lord. That's the blessed mighty power of the scriptures that I read from the Lord. And I've got to pass it on, for His promises to shine. Oh, and I've got to pass it on, for His promises to shine.
I want to wake up every day with a heart of loving and care to the stranger things that happen by that we never want to acknowledge. Now break it down, take it soft, cause I do understand. And mighty Jesus up in heaven knows alive in His hand. And now it's a bad thing when your friend gets shot by the friend of his friend, because of money and fame and drugs and pressure from friends. Now it's not worth it, life is short. Be obedient to God and He will make sure all your blessings gonna be multiplied. And mighty Jesus I decide to reside by His side. I'm gonna belong to the King because I know Jesus lives. All He wants is all my love and obedience to His word. I'm gonna show it, obey Him and make it to the King.